everyone, welcome to Johannesburg. This is my first time back in Johannesburg. It's been 24 years, 25 years since I've been here. Me and my family used to live here a long time ago when my dad was an evangelist. This was one of the first places that we visited, or not visited, but lived. And it's our first time back in 20 plus years. This is the backyard of where we're at in Rudaport, specifically in Johannesburg. It's sort of east of Johannesburg a little bit. But this is the neighborhood where we're at. This is the backyard. Currently my parents are taking a nap. Oh, also, there's no dryer, so we have to hang our clothes. There seems to have been some issue with the parking structure, or the parking thing here, because park at your own risk. And it's, yeah. Somebody definitely risked it. But yeah, let's head on inside and show you guys around. This is the neighborhood where we're staying at. The beautiful, what is this called? Cement slabs, wood garage. It's a very quiet neighborhood. I haven't seen anyone here, but I know people live here. Actually, no, I lie. I saw someone over on that side of the neighborhood, but yeah, let's head on inside and show you guys around. The door is kind of hard to open. This is the entryway. Right through here you have the outside area. I'll show you that really quick. This is where I can see myself doing some work. It's supposed to rain later today, so I might be doing work right there, but we'll see. And yeah, this is the view of the backyard. Now, the interesting thing about South Africa is that there's locks everywhere, and I'll show you more of that in a bit, but there's one padlock, two padlocks, three padlocks. You would think, oh, I'm sorry, four, you would think that's enough, right? That's all you need. No. There's another three on the bottom. And all of these houses individually have electric fences and barbed wire. Well, I don't think they have barbed wire in these, but electric fences for sure. And cameras everywhere. I'll show you that later, but let's go back inside and take a look at the house. So as you can see as well, each side of the wall here has a sliding glass door. This is the dining room that we're gonna show you in a little bit, in the kitchen. There's a family room, which we're probably gonna see a little bit later because my sister is currently watching TV. So we'll check that out later, but yeah, this is the main glass door. So let's go back inside. Now this is hard to close, so hold on. And this is the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. We have a microwave here. We have our fridge, freezer, countertop, nice stove, very, very nice stove. We have an oven. I have a washer, dishwasher. I have your sink right here. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is right there. Yeah. Are you taking a nap, Mikhail? Alright, so now we're gonna go upstairs. The cool thing that they have is, I'm talking on camera. The cool thing that they have is these lights on the side right here. At night, those are so clutch because it gets super dark. Okay, I think they're sleeping over here, so I'm gonna be a little quiet because they're sleeping. But this is the bathroom here. We have a bathtub here. It's a little messy right now, so I'm not gonna show too much of it. This is the bathtub. Got a nice window showing you a tree. Have a shower. Pretty cool looking shower. Little walk-in shower. The first room we have here is my sister's room. It's a little bit, yeah, we're not gonna show that. Okay, now we're gonna have a different room. Cool little landing area here. The stairs. This is my bedroom. The bed was so-so. It was so-so. Can't complain. But I do have a really nice view of the neighbor's yard. I can literally just see right into their yards. It's crazy. But yeah, that's my room. Not too much to see there. There is also a master bedroom, which we're not going to show you because it's over there and they're sleeping. So, but let me show you outside, and I'll show you some interesting things about South Africa. Okay, that door is so annoying. It does not close right. Okay, hello. Hi. So right now what I'm going to show you is the entrance to the townhomes. They have barbed wire over all of the tops. And yeah, it's very interesting. It's very interesting. So if you can see this is the entrance here, and literally right over there, across the street, is a squatter camp, or what you would call like a homeless encampment, I guess you could say. But literally right across to this, and this is like that everywhere around South Africa. And I'm going to be going into more in depth on the history of South Africa, because it does have a very interesting history. But if you can see, just look, cameras here, and there's electrical wire running across the whole neighborhood. It's around the whole neighborhood, and individual houses as well. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and my family while we adventure around Johannesburg, South Africa. And I'm going to take you along and show you all the sights that there is to see here. Many of you probably think that South Africa is primitive and like lions, tigers, and cheetahs, and just like desert. But it's not like that at all. And I'm excited to show you all the beautiful things about South Africa. So stay tuned.